The Japanese company still needs to keep its models fresh, even if half of its factories had to wind down and adjust production according to the incredible state of the automotive industry. And across the compact crossover SUV segment, the current RAV4 features a rugged and aggressive design. A possible refresh could see the SUV move to share a similar design to the Sequoia. The RAV4 would adopt a larger grille, new headlights, and a more squared-off design. We could see the RAV4 gain new tail lights and a new liftgate design. Toyota offers the RAV4 with 3 different engines. We don't expect to see any changes for 2024. The base RAV4 comes with a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine that makes 203 horsepower and 184 pound-feet of torque. The current SUV has pronounced body lines, a split front end design with a slim air intake sitting above a large grille, and swept-back headlights. The rear end of the RAV4 has dual exhaust outlets, a small rear spoiler, and rectangular tail lights that are connected by a trim piece. The interior design of the current RAV4 features a simple look that emphasizes usability. The tiered dashboard places the central touchscreen close to the driver, while the center console features large controls for the HVAC system.